It's Michika, and for today's vlog, mag-haul po tayo ng red dress na i-haul natin. So, 3 lang po itong nandito sa akin, and before you watch this video, please like, share, and subscribe this video, and please hit notification bell sa baba para like updated sa aking mga susunod pa mga videos. So, ang first dress natin ay this one. Ayan siya. Ayusin natin. First dress. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan ang tatak niya. Size XL. So, maliit ang size nila. And meron siyang 3 botones dito. Tsaka, ayan.
Away for a while now, you got me feeling like a child now. Every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. Starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now, just take your time. Wherever you go, go.
Dress. In second, ano siya, turtleneck. Parang pang winter to, pang malalamig. Ganun. Third. Ayan siya. Ito ang turtleneck niya. Ayan siya. Meron siyang parang panet.
For a while now, you got me feeling like a child now. Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. Starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now, just take your time. Wherever you go.
Last na dress. Yan siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. So, ayan sa harap niya.
For a while now, you got me feeling like a child now. Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. Starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now, just take your time. Wherever you go, the rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. Undercover to cover, staying safe and warm. You give me feelings that
Yan ang pang-haul natin. So, 3 lang po siya. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Please hit notification bell sa baba para like na updated sa aking mga susunod pa mga videos. Bye guys! Happy lang!